The map allows you to visualize your entire network and what's going on within it at a quick glance. If you hover over a unit, it will display that unit's IP address and precise latitude and longitude. Right-clicking on the unit will bring up several menu options as well. Again, you can fix it to location or reset the location if you've moved it to a different spot on the map. If you hit Center Map on Broadband Unit, it will recenter the map there that way. You can, again, configure the broadband unit by selecting this or double-clicking on the broadband unit on any screen in Broadband Pro Enterprise. You can easily restore to defaults as well, or run a configuration report on that individual radio to save for later. If you're going to make changes to it or move it or something, you can save out your configuration in case you need to get back and refer to that in the future. Also, an industry first in Broadband Pro Enterprise is if you were to hover over any of these connection links, it will display a wealth of information in both directions. So this bidirectional information flow is, again, exclusive to the program. So here at the top you'll see this is displaying information from the AP Cluster Radio 3 in there to the Net3 Station 2 radio, as well as on the bottom of there it's displaying the information flow from that station back to the radio in the access point cluster. This radio includes transmission rates, receive rates, signal to noise ratio, CCQ statistics, signal strength, the distance between those particular units, RX and TX packets that have been sent, as well as the azimuth. You can use the azimuth to help aim the units very precisely when you get out of the field, so that's tremendously useful information for people. Now you'll notice these lines are color-coded. Now what particular statistics those color codings are related to are selected here from this menu. So right now, as you can see, we're looking at the RSSI, the Receive Signal Strength Indication for all of the radios in the network. You could also look at signal to noise ratio, transmission CCQ, receive CCQ, and transmission and receive rates as well. All you do is select this, and then the lines are connected to that particular statistics, and you'll set those upper and lower limits for those statistics that control the color of those lines in the alarm center, which I'll get into in a moment. Also on the map, you can choose the view you like. You can do the road map, an aerial map, or the aerial map with labels. I'll just go back to that. Also, if you can double-click and zoom in on any section of the map as well. And then if you want to get zoom out to an overall view of the entire network, just select View All, and the view snaps to the outer edges of the network. You'll notice that the non-Intuicom unit is also displayed on the map as well, again, just to kind of give you a general idea of how the network is laid out. Moving over onto the right-hand side, again, these tabs are used to navigate through a bunch of new features that we've put in the product.